Hi, I'm a facility manager. My name is Shakira. What's the myth today? Actually, no. While building maintenance is an essential aspect of a facility manager's role, it only represents just one part of the responsibility. A facility manager has a diverse range of roles that encompass much more than building maintenance alone. Well, we deal with lease management. We ensure that the tenants follow all the covenants set out in the lease. Tenant relationships. We maintain positive relationships with the tenants and communicate with them effectively, addressing any concerns or issues they may have. And also financial management. We manage budgets and allocate resources efficiently while making financial decisions to optimize the operations of the facility. Thank you for watching Mythbusters. See you next time.